Hi, I'm Ritik Parikh. I'm a student of MIL Academy. I'm a BSc Computer Science graduate, and my topic today is how to turn an iPod into a hacking device. For this demo, we need a jailbroken iPod Touch. This demo can also be done using a jailbroken iPhone. We'll assume the iPod Touch is connected to the wireless network. The first thing you have to do is prepare your iPod Touch for penny dirt. You will need to install the following applications through Cydia onto your iPod Touch. Already have Cydia. Once you jailbroke it, you get Cydia. Mobile terminal, Penny, GOG, network CMDs, OpenSSH. Now, the next you'll need to download PinnyDir as a .zip file on your Windows machine. Also, download and install WinSCP so that you can transfer files to your iPod Touch. Open WinSCP, type in your iPod's IP address. Now for it to be easy, I've written my iPod's IP address and my PC's IP address here. But you can obviously see your iPod's IP address by going here, saying Wi-Fi. My network's name is Parikh, and as you can see my IP address, which is 192.168.1.34. So in WinSCP I log in as 192.168.1.34. The username would be root and the password would be Alpine. The password is default, so it will be same for everybody. Now you go to the root directory, that is this root directory, and then go to the /privates/var/mobile directory. Now transfer the PinnyDir files to this directory. You should typically see the following scripts in this directory, which I have already installed. So you should typically see b4.sh, derv.sh, derv-cookie.sh, derv-pw.sh, and derv-url.sh. Next, change the permissions of the 5 scripts. To do this, open the terminal, type su to log in as root, and default password is Alpine. Then enter chmod 777 *.sh. This will give full permissions to these scripts. This I have already done, so it's a very simple procedure. Now install Nmap through Cydia on your iPod Touch. To run Nmap, you will need to enter as root. So now I open the terminal. To enter as root, su, and the password is Alpine. Now to run Nmap, what you typically do is say Nmap and the iPod's IP address, which is 192.168.1.34. So since you can see it shows starting Nmap, now you wait. So as you can see, it shows you the ports which are open, that is the TCP port number 22, port number 5900 TCP and 62078 TCP, and what services are running on each port. Now I'll just give you a brief on what PinnyDir is. PinnyDir is a console application. The great thing about PinnyDir is that it is completely automated, and it automates the actual network packet collection by automatically entering in the appropriate filters, your router, IP address, and the dump file. So now what we can do is let's run the i4.sh. It's a script which I transferred using an SAP. Oh, I'm sorry. So as you see, it says it started, it's waiting for some package to be generated. So what I'll do now typically is I'll just go to Google and wait for at least one packet to start. I'm going to Yahoo. Again going to Google. I think my firewall settings might be on, so I'll have to disable my firewall. As you see, my firewall is on, so I'm just turning off my firewall so that packet capturing can happen. Now as you can see, it's already started capturing packets. See, as in when I type, it will show me more packets. Alright, so what you have to do is, you have to open a new terminal. So to open a new terminal window, take both fingers and swipe them in a horizontal rightward direction on your iPod. So a new terminal opens. In this new terminal, you are going to initialize a script that will filter out useless TCP traffic and show if anything interesting is collected, like URLs, cookies, or plaintext passwords. First I need to log in as root. I'm typing /dir.sh, that is a script. Now to print out URLs as they are visited, I have to enter -u. To print out plaintext passwords as they are received, I have to type -p. And to intercept cookies and inject certain cookies into your device's Safari cookie file, I have to enter -c. Okay. So as you can see, it says all passwords saved to pw.txt file, which is a file you can see from here, the pw.txt file. Now it's capturing packets. So I have a lot of traffic on my network, so there are packets captured from Google which is already open. Now what I have to do is I have to go to a site called hockey.com. Hockey.com is a site which does not store passwords in encrypted format. It as in that it is not encrypted, so it's clear text, so you can see it when it's transmitting. So as you can see, as in when I open hockey.com, it clearly shows me hockey.com here. Now what I do is I've already created an account on my name. My account name, username is Ritik. My password is hello, HELLO. Now I log in. So as you see, I have logged in. Now I wait for my iPod Touch to detect the password and show me. All these Facebook.com and all that is just someone using that on my network, which I can see. I also have one more account whose username is Parik27 and the password is I love Unix. So as you can see, it shows 2 passwords found, saved to pw.txt, waiting for more packets. Now just wait a little while more and it should show up very soon. I'm just trying to create some packets here. Just checking if my packet capturing is still working fine. Yes, it is. I'll try logging in one last time with Ritik and password as hello. As you can see now, it finally came. It says my username is Ritik and my password is hello. It showed me twice because obviously I entered twice. Now to the next thing I'll be demonstrating is how to spoof a MAC address of your iPod. To do that, typically I'm just showing another window. Again, login as root, password Alpine. What I have to do is first just say ifconfig space en0 ether and the MAC address you want to give. Let's say I give 001122334455. Now I'll just check what my IP address is by just saying ifconfig. And as you can see, VNC has a little lag, so from this we can conclude how easy it is for anyone to just use an iPod Touch as a handheld hacking device. Thank you for watching this.